I love these movies so much. And when I got the audition, I didn't think I was going to get it, to be honest.
You did really great. I suppose it's just one question, really, is would you like to play Hiccup in the movie?
Mom, do you hear that?
For the first costume fitting, I put on his clothes and I just turned in the mirror. I saw it and I kind of got emotional. Seeing me as one of my childhood heroes, it was everything to me.
All right, bud. You ready?
When I watched the animated movie as a kid, I related to Hiccup. He's not like the other Vikings. That's what makes Hiccup Hiccup.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!
How much this movie means to me and how much Hiccup means to me is more than words can describe. Getting the chance to take on such an iconic character is a dream come true and an honor.
Here